Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how you can delete album in Messenger. So first up, open your Messenger app, and then from here on your chat list, select the group that you want to open. Now from here, for example, now tap on your group name right there at the top, and an option shows up here as you can see. Now from this settings, you just need to scroll down and find View Media Files and Links. Now here at the top, you'll find the current album. So tap on that. As you can see, we have 8 pictures or images in this album. And then tap on the 3 dots at the top right hand corner. And here you'll find the delete album option. So once you tap on that, as you can see, this will also delete all media that was added directly to this album. So tap on delete. So media remove album content is removed for everyone in the chat, but can still be reviewed for up to 14 days if the album content is reported. So that's how you can do it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.